How's it going today, guys? Today I'm finally back and we're working on the El Camino here. And as I promised, we are working on the carb. I really want to tear this thing down because when I took this filter off, there's a bunch of stuff gunked up in there, and I'm sure, sitting for 10 plus years that hasn't really been fired up. And actually, funny thing is looking through some of the paperwork on this car, I actually had the 2010 tabs for it. It just never got put on. But we're gonna finally get this carburetor cleaned and put back together, and I'm gonna see if it'll actually idle back down. Before it didn't really want to run, just ran like crap. When I got the gas tank out, it really wasn't full of gas. So eventually I'm gonna get a new sending unit for that. I'm pretty much gonna strip that back down and put it back in. I decided I'm gonna go with the carb on this just to kind of keep that classic look for this. But for now, I'm gonna clean the 2-barrel, get that thing situated, because the other motor isn't quite ready for it yet, and I kind of want to get used to the power of this one, 220 horsepower. That's if you had a 4-barrel carb. Although probably with today's market, it's probably 180, which that was how much they had with the 2-barrel. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. Float ball. There's so much stuff in here. This is all really old and really bad gas. It's unreal. I'm hoping that we're going to be able to clean this up in here really good. There's a lot of rust deposits too. Yeah, that stuff's bad. I really don't see any problem with this gasket. It looks all in really good shape, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse it. Best it's ever idled since I've owned it. seems to be running pretty good. Smoking because it hasn't been started in a long time, and there's quite a few things, and grease and oil and whatnot on it still. Overall, I'm quite impressed. And yeah, I got her back running again. She starts, she idles. I gotta work on the idle part, but it runs so much better. It wraps up better. It doesn't pussyfoot around pretty much. It really wraps up nice. So I'm glad I did this. This is gonna be a good running motor once I figure out this carb and how to tune it and everything. But I think I'm gonna end this video off here. If you guys liked it, please hit that like and subscribe button. It'll really help me out. And I'll catch you guys in the next episode.